The ART CX310 Stereo and Mono crossover offers flexible two-way stereo or three-way mono operation, making it easy to tailor a live sound or installation system to different speaker setups. Its fourth-order Linkwitz Riley filters provide steep, precise crossover slopes that keep the signal phase coherent and the transition between drivers very smooth. The unit includes a convenient frequency range multiplier switch so you can quickly shift the crossover points between low and mid or mid and high ranges without digging into complex menus. Front panel mute switches for each output make system tuning and troubleshooting far less stressful, especially when ringing out monitors or aligning a new rig. Balanced XLR and quarter-inch TRS connections on both inputs and outputs help keep noise low and integrate cleanly with professional mixers and amplifiers. Solid build quality and clear clipping indicators on every output give confidence that the CX310 will handle regular gigging or permanent rack duty with minimal fuss.